Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Edge of 3D. Let's build us a printer. So what we got here is a Ender 5 Pro, and we are going to convert it to a 0G Mercury 1.1. And what makes it a .1 is going to use the EVA 2.4 tool head. So go over things here right quick, what we're starting off with. So basically this is the Ender 5 Pro partially assembled. Still has the standard motion system on the top. Does have a spring steel bed. Came off of another printer that's already been converted. And then I did add the support brackets underneath. I'll link those in the description down there. And then I'm doing some testing for 0G on the new skirt. So this does have that applied to it, only because it was just easy, it was out. We'll go over everything I have here laid out that we're going to use to convert this. So over here is the EVA tool head. Going to use a Dragonfly hot end on it. It's one that I've used quite a bit already. It came off another printer. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Sherpa extruder. And this is everything for the tool head. It's all printed out. I've already put the heat set inserts into everything. And then next is the Core XY motion system. These are the stepper mounts. Those print in 4 pieces. You've got 2 bottoms, 2 tops, a right and a left. You have the X joints, which that will support this 2020 extrusion, and a linear rail. That's what the tool head will ride on. And then these are the belt adjustment towers. So the belt does its thing all the way around. And then these little blocks right here will mount right here once we get this torn down, and that's what will be used to, sorry about that, that's what will be used to adjust the towers. We have the Mercury One kit from Fabreeko. It comes with the 2020 extrusion. It does come with linear rails, MGN 12 linear rails. These are actually off of the other printer because these came in the original kit and they were the shorter rails. They now ship with longer rails. So I put the longer rails on the other kit because it has a larger bed, and this one here will work just fine with that. But here's the kit as it comes from Fabreeko. It's got everything, all your screws, pulleys, bearings, spacers, pins, a couple of micro switches. Some of the bearings in this one actually wound up over in this bag. And in this bag is the belt, heater, a sticker, and thermistor. That's basically everything you need to build the kit. That's what we're going to use to build this one. It comes with the steppers. These are Honey Badger Fabreeko steppers. Nice big heavy steppers. I'm running them on another printer. They'll take a lot. And these are some tools that I've printed up. I'll link to them in the description. Some tools I printed up for assembling this machine that helps to, this gets the x-axis square. This is used for setting the tension on the belts. And I use this to set my belt tension instead of the resonance on the foam. Just can't seem to get that to work. There you go. That's everything. We're going to make this into a printer.